Avon is pushing space logistics to the next generation with its new Raven XV UAV, which is considered to be world's largest unmanned aircraft system by mass and designed to carry and launch satellites into low orbits. It weighs in at approximately 55,000 pounds and when it's carrying a full payload, making it one of the heaviest unmanned aircraft in the existence today. It also stands 18 feet tall and has a wingspan of 60 feet. Raven X's first mission will see it attempt to pull the US Space Air Force Alcyon 45 satellite into orbit sometime next year, and the next step will be to seek airworthiness certification for the drones from the Federal Aviation Administration. The vehicle later will go to Cecil Spaceport in Jacksonville, Florida for orbital launch testing. Raven X's first launch will be a US spaceport mission called Agile Small Launch Operational Normalizer or Alcyon 45. The $4.9 million contract of the company got in September 2019 had been originally awarded to Vector Launch, but Vector withdrew in the wake of the financial difficulties, so the job was reassigned to Avon. The company has received a Small Business Innovation Research contract from the US Air Force and a classified Pentagon contract. 85% of Avon's business comes from commercial customers and 15% from the defense and research agencies.